Cloves, those tiny aromatic flower buds that we often see in our spice boxes, are far more than just a flavoring ingredient used in curries, teas, or baked goods. When cloves are infused in water, they create a powerful natural drink known as clove water, which has been used for centuries in traditional remedies across many cultures. This humble spice is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds like eugenol, which is primarily responsible for its medicinal power. Drinking clove water regularly in moderation can bring about a wide range of health benefits. From boosting immunity to improving digestion, and even supporting oral health, let us explore the numerous health benefits of clove water and understand how this simple, yet powerful drink can improve your well-being, along with some important precautions you must keep in mind. First and foremost, clove water is widely celebrated for its ability to boost immunity. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help the body fight against harmful free radicals that cause oxidative stress and damage to our cells. By drinking clove water, you provide your body with an immune shield that makes it easier to resist infections like colds, flu, and seasonal illnesses. The antimicrobial and antiviral properties of cloves make them particularly effective in warding off common pathogens. Many people who consume clove water during winter or monsoon seasons notice fewer bouts of illness and better overall resistance against infections. Another major benefit of clove water is its role in improving digestion and gut health. Traditionally, cloves have been used to treat digestive issues such as bloating, gas, indigestion, and nausea. The active compounds in cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which improves nutrient absorption and helps break down food more effectively. Drinking clove water before or after meals can reduce discomfort from acidity, support smoother digestion, and prevent constipation. It also has carminative properties, which means it helps relieve trapped gas and stomach cramps. For individuals who often feel heavy or sluggish after eating, clove water can work as a gentle natural remedy to restore comfort. Clove water also shows great promise in supporting oral health. We often hear about clove oil being used for toothaches, and the same benefits extend to clove water. The antibacterial nature of cloves helps kill oral pathogens, reducing bad breath, gum infections, and plaque formation. Rinsing your mouth with clove water or simply drinking it can leave your breath fresh and your oral cavity cleaner. While it may not replace brushing or flossing, clove water can certainly complement your daily oral hygiene routine by reducing harmful bacteria. For individuals struggling with respiratory issues, clove water can be a soothing solution. Its anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties help in loosening mucus, easing breathing difficulties, and relieving cough. Those suffering from asthma, bronchitis, or seasonal allergies may find clove water helpful in reducing symptoms, especially when consumed warm. It works by reducing throat irritation and calming inflammation in the airways. Regular but moderate use of clove water can improve respiratory strength and comfort, particularly during colder months. Another remarkable health benefit of clove water is its role in blood sugar regulation. Several studies suggest that the compounds in cloves may help improve insulin function, making them useful for individuals with high blood sugar or type 2 diabetes. By drinking clove water in moderation, people may experience better control over glucose levels. However, it's important for diabetic patients to monitor their condition closely and consult a healthcare professional before making clove water a regular part of their diet, since it could interact with prescribed medications. Clove water is also considered excellent for detoxification and liver health. The liver is the body's natural detoxifier, and the antioxidants in cloves, particularly eugenol, help in cleansing toxins from the liver and supporting its proper functioning. Regular detoxification ensures better metabolism, improved digestion, and healthier skin. Many people who consume clove water daily report increased energy levels and reduced fatigue, as the body's toxin load is minimized. When it comes to weight management, clove water has gained popularity as a natural aid. Its ability to improve metabolism and digestion means that it helps the body burn calories more efficiently. Drinking clove water on an empty stomach may enhance fat metabolism, reduce food cravings, and boost energy, which collectively support weight loss efforts. Combined with a healthy diet and exercise, clove water can be a useful addition for those looking to shed excess weight naturally. Clove water is also beneficial for skin and hair health. Its antibacterial properties help in reducing acne and skin infections when consumed regularly. The antioxidants protect skin cells from damage, delaying premature aging signs such as wrinkles and fine lines. On the other hand, clove water also improves blood circulation, which indirectly strengthens hair roots, reduces hair fall, and may even promote healthier hair growth. People who want natural glowing skin and stronger hair often incorporate clove water into their lifestyle for these beauty benefits. Another area where clove water shows promise is in reducing inflammation and joint pain. Cloves are naturally anti-inflammatory, which makes clove water a supportive remedy for people dealing with arthritis, joint stiffness, or muscle soreness. Drinking it regularly can help lower inflammation in the body, leading to reduced pain and better mobility. This makes clove water a natural option for older adults or individuals with chronic inflammatory conditions. Despite all these wonderful benefits, it is equally important to understand the precautions related to clove water consumption. Just like any natural remedy, too much of it can cause problems. Drinking clove water in excess can lead to irritation in the stomach lining, heartburn, or nausea due to its strong bioactive compounds. People with sensitive digestive systems should start with small amounts and observe how their body reacts. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid consuming clove water regularly without medical advice, as strong spices can sometimes cause complications. Likewise, individuals on blood-thinning medications, such as those prescribed for heart conditions, should be very cautious, because eugenol and cloves can thin the blood further and increase the risk of bleeding. Patients with diabetes who are already taking medicines to lower blood sugar should consult a doctor before drinking clove water frequently, as it may cause blood sugar levels to drop too low. Children should also consume it only in very mild amounts under adult supervision. In conclusion, clove water is an age-old natural remedy that holds a wealth of health benefits, from boosting immunity and aiding digestion to supporting oral health, regulating blood sugar, detoxifying the liver, managing weight, and even improving skin and hair. This simple drink offers a holistic way to improve health. However, the key lies in moderation and mindful consumption. By using clove water responsibly and keeping in mind the necessary precautions, you can enjoy its incredible healing power safely. So, the next time you want to boost your health with a natural remedy, remember that something as small as a clove, when infused into water, can bring about remarkable changes for your body and mind.